Hello viewers, this is Inspire Dyna and this is Dynamic Educational Hub channel. This is the channel where we learn mathematics, physics and chemistry. And if this is your first time of coming across my channel or watching my video on YouTube on any platform, kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the notification icon in order to get notified when I release a new video. More also, in this channel, every subject I'm teaching and every topic, I simplify it so that you can easily get the concepts, and my videos are arranged from the scratch, from the beginner to the advanced level. Right, without further ado, let's dive into what I have for you today. In this video, we are going to learn multiplication of matrix. Basically, we are learning scalar multiplication of matrix. Scalar multiplication of matrix. So we have a matrix. If A is equals to this, then 2A is going to be 2 multiplied by the matrix A, which implies that we are multiplying 2. We are multiplying it by all the elements of A. So which means that 2 times whatever value we have in this position, 2 times whatever value we have in this position, that is what we have here. That simply means the scalar multiplication of matrix. If you have a constant, a number or a constant multiplied by a matrix, not matrix multiplied by matrix, a constant multiplied by a matrix, then you pick that constant and multiply it. You multiply all the elements with the constant. Let's quickly look at this example. If A is equals to this and B is equals to this, A is equals to this matrix and B is equals to this, find I 3A plus 2B, I 8B minus 3A. Let's quickly look at the solution. Now, the first thing is to find all our scalar multiplication. The first one is 3A. So we have our 3 here. This is our matrix A. Don't forget, we multiply 3 by all the elements of A. So we expand this. So that gives us 3 times 1, 3, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 4, 12, 3 times 3, we have 9, 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 6, here we have 18, 3 times 5, we have 15, 3 times 7, 21. And we've done 3 here. Let's split it to 2b. 2b, the same thing. You have your 2 here, your scalar, multiplied by this matrix B. So you expand it the same way. 2 times minus 1. So we are going to get minus 2. 2 times 2, we have 4. 2 times 4, we have 8. 2 times minus 3, we have minus 6. 2 times 3, we have 6. 2 times minus 5, we have 10. 2 times 5, we have 10. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 0, 0. So we are done with 2b. Let's do 8b. 8b gives us 8 outside, and we have our matrix B here. We expand it again. So that gives us 8 times minus 1, we have minus 8. 8 times 2, we have 16. 8 times 4, we have 32. 8 times minus 3, we have minus 24. 8 times 3, we have 24. 8 times minus 5, we have minus 40. 8 times 5, 40. 8 times 0, 0. 8 times 0, 0. Now let's start solving our question. The first one is 3a plus 2b. 3a plus 2b. We have done all the scalar multiplication and we've gotten our answer. Now here is our 3a. We want to add it with our 2b. Here's our 2b. So let's write out our matrix. This one is 3a, this one is 2b. So let's add them together. Now you can add them because they are of the same order. In my previous video, I've explained that matrix addition is only possible when we have matrices of the same order. Now let's go. We take them, the position of each matrix, you add them together, also put them together depending on the operation you are doing. Now we have addition operation here. So which simply means you pick this 3 plus minus 2. So that's how to solve it. Now let's start. The first one, 3 plus minus 2, that will give us 3 minus 2. 6 plus 4, that gives us this. 12 plus 8. Let's move to the next row. 9 plus minus is 9 minus 6. 9 plus 6, then 9 plus minus 10, 9 minus 10. Don't forget, you have to consider this sign, plus against minus, that gives us minus. The last row, we have 18 plus 10, 15 plus 0, and 21 plus 0. So finally, let's compute our answer. And 3 minus 2 gives us 1, 6 plus 4, 10, 12 plus 8, that gives us 20, then 9 minus 6, 3, 9 plus 6, 15, 9 minus 10, that gives us minus 1, and 18 plus 10, 28, 15 plus 0, 15, 21 plus 0, 21. It's as simple as that. Second question, 8b minus 3a. You have our 8b here, 3a here. So you're adding them, you are subtracting them. This is subtract
8b here. We have done that, and this is our 3a. Here's the value of our 3a. Now let's subtract them. We have our 8b minus 3a. Don't forget, we look at the position and then we solve it. The next one is we have minus 8 minus 3 and 16 minus 6, and we also have 32 minus 12 here. That's what we've got here. Now the next one is minus 24 minus 9, 24 minus 9, and minus 40 minus 9. Lastly, to the final row, we have 40 minus 18 here, 0 minus 15 here, and 0 minus 21. If you compute this, is going to be our answer, which means minus 8 minus 3 minus 11, 16 minus 6, 10, 32 minus 12, 20, minus 24 minus 9, that gives us minus 33, 24 minus 9, 15, minus 40 minus 9, minus 49, 40 minus 18, 22, 0 minus 15 minus 15, 0 minus 21, that gives us minus 21. It's as simple as that.
You can try the example as shown below and comment the answer in the comment section. Alright, thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video. Bye.